This video is going to explain the osmolarity osmotic pressure setup for the second lab in Bio 140. Osmolarity is the amount of dissolved substances in a solution. Osmotic pressure is the pull those substances have on water. The higher the osmolarity, it means the more dissolved substances there are, and the stronger the pull across a semi-permeable membrane. Our setup is going to look like this. We have a burette, and on the bottom of the burette, we have dialysis tubing. The dialysis tubing will not be tied on for you. You will have to tie it on yourself. In attaching the dialysis tubing, you have to make sure the bottom and the top are both tied very tightly. If either of these is tied loose, the bag will leak and it will mess up the results of the experiment. Furthermore, make sure it's securely on the top. If it's not securely on the top, it's going to fall in and it'll mess up the experiment. After you tie the bag, both securely to the top and to the bottom, you are going to put deionized water, that somebody put blue food coloring in. You're going to carefully pour that into the burette. Now, mark where the top line is. That is why we actually put food coloring in it, to clearly see where it is. It helps if it's on an even number, like 16 or 17 here, and not halfway in between. What you're going to do, you're going to mark the initial value. You are then going to lower the burette into the solution, and hold on a second. So you're going to lower the into the solution, and then you're going to wait. For a data sheet, you are going to record how much it changes at each interval. So for the first one, if it changes 5 milliliters, I'll put 5 milliliters. If it changes 10 milliliters, I put 10 milliliters. For the second interval, you are doing the total change. So let's say my initial was at 16 milliliters. It lost 5 milliliters of fluid, so this is now 21. And then it lost another 5, so this would be 26. So you write 10 milliliters here, not each individual one. Again, these values, you're putting the total amount lost in, not what it is at each individual thing. So don't put 17, 18, 19. Put how many total milliliters it has lost. Thank you.